So this is our new project. It's a 1979 F-150. As you can see, all the body panels are on the ground in front of it. The main goal is to sell it as a blank canvas for the next owner. Whether you want to EV swap, Coyote swap, keep it original, or if you're an idiot, put an LS in it. But we're gonna put it back together, hopefully sell it for a good profit, and use that money towards the Bronco. All right, so first thing I'd like to tackle on this project is the hood hinges. My main hurdle right now is the truck didn't come with all the bolts that I need, so I only have 3 hinge bolts right now, so I could probably use 2 on one side and 1 on the other, and then I'll just have to go to the store and try and match. All right, so. One on the other hand might be cross-threaded, but we'll see. All right, I went in and stuck a vice grip behind, so all it was a nut with this on the back of it, but this broke and fell off, so now it's just a nut back there, so I'm gonna hold it and tighten it. I actually found another bolt, so we can get this side started, and then I did get out the other bolt, but it is cross-threaded, so okay, so we got one fender on pretty nicely. I was able to find a bolt that fit that clip on the bottom. You can get the other side, but we are missing a lot of bolts here. These are the correct type, right? Missing one here, but these are incorrect. So I need 1, 2, 3. And then this is where a rubber grommet goes, so that's not a big deal. Missing one here. So already gonna need to just order a bunch of this style bolts, but so far so good. There you go. That makes more sense now. So the cool thing about having the 78 Bronco around is it has the same front end as a 79. And I'm not gonna go up too high because I don't want you to see what motor's inside of it. But these headlight rings are $22 a pair online. So I'm gonna go ahead and order order a pair of those, and then I can go and see which bolts I need for the rest of the truck. So yeah, pretty cool. All right, one trip to Ace Hardware later, $50 later. We got our bolts, our washers, and all our clips, trim screws. So, we should be good to go now. There it goes. There it goes. We're lining up the bolts on your classic truck. Cool. You can get reproductions of this for 23 bucks on eBay, so I say we order them along with the bezels. Holy, it worked. All right, well, that was so dumb. I can't believe it worked. All right, moment of truth. This is not gonna line up, but. What's wrong? Oh, what? What? Okay, taking a look at everything. We don't have fuel doors, so this is a double gas tank, which is pretty cool. I haven't looked under and seen if there's two gas tanks. So we need fuel doors, rear signal markers, rear tail lights, front turn signals, and headlight bezels. Okay, that's not bad. And then we can put the dash in. I know I need to align the doors a little better, but we can put the dash in and put the steering column up. And then it's time to sell, and then it's somebody else's project. So guess what? Parts came in. Got bezels, turn signals, taillights, bumper bolts. But you're gonna have to wait till next time. So subscribe and stay tuned.